Okay, Kurt Moreland over here at the Estex booth. I'm here with Mike Scott. Mike's going to give us a quick lesson on FR blankets and tell us what's new over here in their booth.
Hey, thanks for including us in your presentation. So yeah, the two big things we're doing is arc suppression blankets. It's mostly used in network underground. It's a protective device to keep linemen safe, and it's widely used everywhere around the country. And again, we've got very unique properties to it. It can be used in both directions, and it's available at all times. The other big product line that we also talk about is our lightweight summer weight safety vests. These safety vests, it's the lightest weight material in the industry. We also have a unique tape here. It's also luminescent. So that's a brand new thing coming into the United States. It's retroreflective and luminescent, so it glows in the dark up to 8 hours, and you can walk back and forth behind the trucks in total darkness, and it constantly is recharged by light. And so this is brand new. So you have 360-degree coverage, both in light, retroreflective light, if light hits it, and in total darkness, which is totally unique.
Mike, I learned something new about FR blankets, and the high vis looks great. Thanks again for being a regular exhibitor here at the conference.
We really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Take care.